Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boy, CryptoKeeper. Hopefully everybody is doing well. Welcome to Trading Wars. Super exciting. This has been a while coming. Hey, everybody backstage, I know you can hear me. You guys are good to go. You can start trading. Get it on. Do your thing. Have some fun. I'm going to do a little intro here, and then I will bring people up. But traders backstage, go ahead and do your thing. So if it's your first time here, I just want to go over real quickly. I want to introduce what's going on here. I want to talk about our sponsors real quick, and then we will dive into it. So Trading Wars, we are bringing on the best traders in the business, live trading against each other for money. Now, the cool thing is each of these traders has their own community. We want the communities all to be actively trading underneath the different links that the traders have. So you can use my link, or you can use any of the traders' link, and the top people underneath each of the traders' links are going to have the opportunity to come on live next season. We're going to have a season, or we're going to have a show that's going to be all influencers. We're going to have a show that's going to be all people from the community. And at the end of the season, and on the 1v1s, those two are going to mesh. So if you have not already signed up, make sure to sign up. There's like $40,000 worth of money and prizes that CoinW, our main sponsor, is giving away. So shout out, first of all, to CoinW. They are the platform that we are trading on. They've been a fantastic partner so far, working hard in the background. We've had a lot of ups and downs trying to figure out everything and getting people in the right positions. So chat, everybody watching, if you guys would, please get involved. Let's have some fun. Let's do some trading. Let's make some money. So shout out to CoinW. And then shout out to High IQ. Don't be stupid. Use High IQ. If you're looking for a great indicator to use High IQ. I've got all of the links down below the stream. So check that out. All right, let me jump into the chat real quick. Then I'm going to bring everybody up, do the normal thing. Maybe Band-Aid said season 4. Let's go. Or maybe a Band-Aid. Candle Daddy in the house. Who else we got up in here? Jay. TradeFly's in here. Well, he's backstage too. Caffeinated Crypto. Yorn. Besser. Alex O in the house. Army Piper. What's up, brother? Richard Wright. Gregory Gressick. I know Mr. Gressick. Good to see you, brother. Crypto Wander. Hey, listen. I can't go through everybody in the chat, but I just want to say thank you all for being here. Let's get after it. All right. First of all, before we do anything else, I want to show this. If you guys are looking for information, make sure to follow me on X. It's Crypto Wars with a Z, OG. Make sure to follow me over there. All right. Without any further ado, let's bring up some of the traders. Alex O Crypto. Alex
yo. What's going on, man? Good to be here. You know, round 2. Let's see what we can do. What's going on? Otter Gang in the chat, man.
Get the Otter Gang cracking off in the chat. Excited that you're here. What is up, TradeFly? Good to see you, brother.
Hey. How you guys doing? Thank you for having me on the show. It is an honor and a pleasure to be here representing Piper Academy and the alumni. Let's get it.
Bro, is that a virtual background, or is that literally what's behind you right now?
I mean, it's virtual, but it is beautiful.
It looks good. It looks really freaking good.
I like it. I wish this was my real background. It'd be dope.
I like it a lot. The most beautiful on the show, Jenna X. What's up, Jenna?
Hey, what's up? I'm happy to be here. Super excited. Thanks for having me back.
Glad that you are here. You kicked ass last season, so I'm looking forward to seeing what you can do this season. First time on the show, Johnny Crypto. Well, not first time on the show, but first time on Trading Wars. Johnny Crypto in the house. What's up, Johnny?
What's up, guys?
For those of you that don't know Johnny, Johnny used to ride dirt bikes professionally. Now he's trading, right, Johnny? You used to ride professionally, right?
I did. And then had a
This
career-ending injury, and there's a big story there, but yeah. Yeah.
Well, we're glad that you're going to ride up and to the right on the charts as opposed to down, like it sounds like maybe one of those nasty falls went. Who else in the house? Crypto Blood, what up?
If you don't want your traders dancing all in the videos and stuff, come to Death Row, baby. Let's go.
Always keeping it real, Blood. Hey, get rich or get wrecked. AJ writes Crypto.
Hey, what's going on? Shout out to Johnny Hopper. Actually, one of my favorite motocross influencers. I watch his channel basically every day. He's a friend of mine. But shout out to Grogger Nation. About to put my entire bag with way too much leverage in one trade. It's going to work out. I'm going to win by a mile or be off the first show. Either way, I'm good with it. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Get rich or get wrecked. Hey, on the casting couch, Magic Internet Money. What up, bro?
I can always put that digital background up for you if you want. I mean, but yeah.
As long as it's not a Harvey Weinstein casting couch, we're
it's a
good.
P. Diddy one just for you.
Oh,
Hey, OC guy in the house. What's up, OC guy?
What's up, guys? Very happy to be here. A shout out also to alumni. I see TradeFly and also the other right here. So, guys, watch it out. Watch out.
Army Piper crew in the house. And then last but not least, Drew Wolfer. What's up, Drew?
We are suited and booted. We're ready. We're ready to go to war. We're ready for the eclipse. We're ready for whatever. We've got our shield, our swords. We're ready to start trading. I've already opened up 2 little short trades. It's all good.
I love it. Let me go over the rules just real quick. The rules are simple. You can trade anything on the exchange. At the 30-minute mark and at the 1-hour mark, we are going to grab the bottom 2 traders, and we are going to toss them into the hot seat. The hot seat is going to be 15 minutes where I'm going to spin a wheel, and they are going to have to max leverage one of the shit coins that comes up that I have on the wheel. The winner of that is going to win whatever the percentage of the trade is. You want to try to get out of that trade profitably, and then you get to pass on a little 2% hit to one of your fellow players. All right, I know that's been a source of little ouchie for some people, but we're going to pass that along. And then if you lose out on the trade, well, you're getting smacked 2% on the trade. So don't be in the bottom 2. That's basically it. And then at the end of the show, the bottom 2. One person's getting kicked. One person today is going home all the way. Now, Bullish Trader is not here right now. He is the 10th, 11th, including me. But he is the 10th, 11th. He's going to jump in. He's going to take a nice big fat penalty for being late to the very first show. But I think he's still going to be here. If he's not, then we'll talk at the end of the show about whether somebody gets kicked or not, and then somebody gets saved by the audience. Any questions, ladies and gentlemen? Everybody good?
Let's go.
All right, let's go around the horn. Let's see. Let me just start up at the top and go right around. Alex O, are we into some trades? If so, talk to me for a second. What do you got going on?
I'm just chilling right now, just waiting to see what everybody else is doing. Want to make sure that I'm gonna be patient. We'll see, but I'm definitely looking to instead of just going for a little gain here and there, I'm looking for maybe a get rich or get wrecked kind of trade. I think I'm gonna follow the advice of AJ. He had his trading book up, technical analysis earlier on, and I don't know, but there's some weird eclipse thing going on today that I'm just watching my P's and Q's, trying to behave myself.
Haley's Comet.
Yes, sir. I am excited about the eclipse. I actually am going to, I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I'm going to wake my 2.5-year-old daughter up, take her outside, show it to her, see what's up. AJ, what are you doing? Studying charts?
You got glasses or what?
That's real irresponsible of you.
No, I'm actually going to have her go outside without glasses on and say, baby, look up there.
Okay.
Makes sense. Build strength, man. Spartan status.
That's character.
Child Protective Services right after this live stream.
Calling CPS for waking a child out of a nap and making her look at
and making her go blind. Yeah,
eclipse.
Shame on you. Shame on you.
All right, so Alex O is not trading yet. TradeFly, what do you got going on, brother? Are you in a trade yet?
I am. Yeah, I took a short BTC 20X.
Short BTC 20X. You're shorting the Bitcoin.
Ouch.
What are you seeing on the chart? I've got your chart pulled up here.
Yeah, just looking at some of the moving averages. I saw a little bit of a trend on the 15-minute. So let's see if this kind of holds up. But it looks like it wants to trend down. So we're gonna
bad move, big buddy. Bad move. The bad move.
We got some shit talking going on in the stream. Reverend Blood wants to tell you that's a bad move.
Reverend Blood. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Jenna, you in a trade yet?
No, focus.
Yep, I am, but I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is actually because it's a really good one, and I don't want y'all stealing my trade. So I found a very nice bearish dip. I found a great bearish dip.
Jenna?
Yeah,
That's how we're playing.
You, but
that's how we're playing today. All right, Johnny Crypto, you in a trade yet?
What's up? I am. I'm actually short 45x Ethereum.
Shorting ETH. Shorting my
ETH. And here, let me.
Any particular reason? Yeah, you want to show it? Show it to me.
Oh, well, I want to be long Ethereum because of this ascending triangle.
Okay.
But we've got resistance that we're hitting. So right now I'm up $57 on the short.
Nice.
I'm looking at closing it
I was gonna say, let me remind you. I know this is your first time on the show. $57 is a banger of a trade on here. Just throwing that out there. Just giving you a little.
All right, I'm kind of waiting for us to test kind of the bottom of the Bollinger Band here.
Why are you trying to get this guy some tips here, buddy? That's not part of the game.
You know what? Hey, I can help.
He's a newbie. He has to fail. Let the dude fail.
Let the dude fail. Let's see the.
Am I doing something wrong on the rules here?
No, you're not doing anything wrong. They just scared.
Talking shit, Johnny. Come on.
They're scared, Johnny.
I just closed it for plus $60.
Dude, that is a banger of a trade.
Johnny Hopper, baby.
That's a good way to start off the show. That's actually a really good way to start off the show. So, Reverend Blood, you got 12 trades out, 13 trades. What do you got going on?
I actually only have 3 trades open, man.
Only 3.
Only 3.
All right, let's talk about them. What do you got going on over there?
I ain't talking about shit.
That's
Jenna said she ain't talking about nothing, so I ain't talking about nothing.
All right, we're all going to sit here and look at each other and
Listen, I have a question.
Mind map.
I have a question though on this. So, how do we down at the bottom? I know how to market out close, but how do we actually limit out of the bottom right? Do a take profit? Like I see that, so I'll just enter in my limit, and then do I hit close or close all? If I am happy
at the
with
bottom,
it.
you see above there it says limit, above close, and then you type in your order right in there, right beside limit there, and then you hit close, and then you confirm it, and then I'll put in an open order on the other book there. Has a limit close.
Thank you.
No problem.
Look at that, Alex. Hell of a guy.
Look at the teamwork.
Look at the teamwork. This is fantastic. Thank you. Hey, listen, chat. If you guys have not already smashed the like, smash the like. If you're not, listen, I had to type in every single person's socials underneath the stream. Don't make me do that for nothing, okay? Go down there and follow all of these creators. They are putting their time together for you. And if you guys aren't already trading underneath them, do your thing. You follow these people. Listen. We got to keep the lights on, okay? We do make a couple dollars off of the trading. It is my sponsor, CoinW, not any of the traders here, just to make that really clear, okay? CoinW provided the liquidity for everybody to trade, but they are technically only sponsoring me here at Crypto Warz, so just want to make that clear to everybody. But yeah, make sure you sign up underneath there, and I want to bring somebody on from each community next season, and I'm going to put out, this is going to make you all salty. I'm going to put it out right now. I think somebody from the community wins next season. That's what
most likely.
I think somebody from the community wins next season. We're going to do the community and the KOLs, the influencers, and then we're going to put them together. I'm betting on somebody on the community. I don't know why.
So, Keeper, I have a proposition for you.
Okay, cool. What you got?
I think we should. I think you should make everyone expose their trades at halftime at least.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
All right. We can do that. Yeah. Because if everybody just sits here and doesn't want to show their trades, I can listen. Let me make it clear. If you guys don't want to show your stops, if you don't want to show like some little, whatever stuff like that,
stops.
Cool. Stops. It's like, what's a stop?
Who uses a stop loss?
As we proceed to give you what you need.
It's just a liquidation price. That's the only thing.
Yeah, exactly. Johnny knows how this works. He's first time here, but he gets it. Hey, Jay, what do you got going on, bro?
You know me, I'm hunting, bro. I'm hunting.
Okay. All right.
I'm looking, being a little patient. You got to play the game a little bit. I'm never in a hurry with these things. I'd rather find the right trade and not rush the wrong one. Right.
Find your spot. I like
how it is. Ain't easy.
Magic, I'm sure you're on a Bitcoin chart right now. That's just a wild guess, but I'm sure you're on a Bitcoin chart. What do you got going
on? Not much. I did take some test orders, like tiny, $3 positions, just to see how the limit function and the market function worked.
Okay.
But otherwise, no real positions, just kind of hunting.
Just testing out the out the platform a little bit.
Just want to make sure that I understand how it works. Because like her, I was looking around for the limit out, how do you flash close a position, things like that. So
yeah, all of the exchanges are a little bit different. So
it's pretty similar. It's easy to get down.
Totally get it though. There's little nuanced differences for sure. OC guy, what's up with you, brother?
Not much. I already had opened up a trade and closed a trade on BNB, waiting for a couple of order blocks just to disappear. Also looking at some atom in here, and he just gave me my entry position there. We just annihilated a high order block, and that is for me a possibility. We just had it right here, an order block. As we already teach on the ChartPrime, well, it's not about the breakout, it's about retest. So for me, I never enter these strong entries, but I do take a look at the retest, and then off we go. So far, we are below the zero line. We are pretty low. Our consolidation score is low, so it's looking pretty awesome. So I will be playing out safely. I will not be entering on breakouts. I will be entering on retest. And for my entries and exits, I already have one committed and placed out. Also, did try to re-enter another position BNB right here, but nonetheless, it did not pull back to my entry. So we'll see.
Okay.
This is the position I took, and then waiting for a golden ratio. Just go back to my entry point right here, the VPVR, and then go back down.
Is that specifically how you trade, OC guy?
We're doomed, bro.
We're doomed. Is that specifically how you trade, OC guy?
Yeah, I do.
It's over, guys.
OC guy sounds like a weatherman. He's giving us like all the. I love it, bro. Sounds like he might win.
I love it. I love it. I love it. Drew, what's up with you, brother? What you got going on down there? You got your battle. You got your sword. You got your shield. What else you got going on?
Ooh. I had to sheath the sword and drop the shield for a second so I could actually get into a couple of trades. Right now I am short 30x on AVAX for about $50. I am short 40x on FTM for about $75. Both of them are barely profitable. We're talking $5, and now FTM.
Oh, I thought you were saying you were $75 up on one and $60 up on another. I was like, damn,
that'd be dope, man. If I would have went higher leverage on the Avalanche position, I definitely would have. If I would have went 100x leverage, which I was thinking about doing, but I didn't know what everybody was going to be. I didn't know if we were going to show up and show out, or if we were going to take it easy or what. But I guess some people are coming swinging out the gates, so I guess I can start increasing my positions a little bit. I just drew a couple little Fibonacci's. I'm looking at the 5-minute. I'm going strictly DGen right now because this is an hour-long segment, so I got to make some gains. Or
it's actually an hour and a half.
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half. Well, then either way, dude, hour and a half doesn't matter. Same stuff. I got to go out with the, I'm either coming back on my shield or with my shield. That's that.
I like it. I like it. I like it. Hey, real quick, before I just want to just remind everybody real quick. Also, we have got the flip or hodl game going on. If you guys drop a super chat, $1 super chat, I'm doubling them up today. 2 entries. Membership, I'm going to 3x. And if you're a gifting member, I'm going to 5x that. If you haven't seen the show, effectively what we're doing is I keep saying it's just me now. But what I am doing is it's called Flip or Hodl. It is a mix between Deal or No Deal and Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. We are going to put your names on a wheel. We're going to spin that wheel after a random influencer or somebody comes on and plays. And then somebody on that wheel is going to win that money. It's for $4,500 next time we play. So whoever the next sponsor is, $4,500 is on the line. We've been giving away thousands of dollars and not enough people on the show. So let's fix that problem. Let's get more people in here. If you want to toss super chat, it supports myself so I can continue to do my thing over here as well.
Support the man.
That's right.
Hey, can we go back to Jenna's original question? I was like opening up a trade when you guys were talking about that. How do you just mark it out of this? Like down here.
I'm trying to figure out too.
Yeah, like here, I'll share my screen in any case. I don't care. Sure. People can see my trades.
You can hit the market price and then close it, but I don't know how to close out of it. Like if you want to close out.
Well, I'm going to pull up Drew. I'm going to pull up Drew's and let Drew be the guinea pig here. Go ahead. Go ahead. I think Alex knows how to do it.
I'll close out this FTM position if somebody will show me how to do it. I don't care.
See the limit.
Alex.
Oh, you want guidance? Okay.
Please, thank you.
Tell me the wrong thing. Tell me the opposite.
Well, you got your. Yeah. So over there, why isn't it giving you on the right hand side? Normally, there's something to close it. Scroll down a bit.
Yeah, I don't see that either. Oh, you got to zoom out. Okay. No. Okay. I had the same problem.
Zoom out.
Zoom out a bit.
Zoomed in.
Yeah.
Got it.
Oh,
there we go. So I can just,
there we go.
So then I just click close and click confirm.
Hey,
there we go. There we go.
Yeah, but how do you close out like half of it?
Or if you want to close out half of it, up above there, it says limit. You put in your order above there. So where you want to limit it out, right? Whatever your price is up there, you can type in there. And then you can select the percentage you want to close on the USDT part on the right-hand side.
Okay. And if you want to mark it out, you just click market price and then close all.
Yeah.
Now, I don't want to hear anybody bitching about fees if they're marketing out of positions. Okay, let's just be clear.
I paid $20.
I want 2% plus for training fee. There's a commission. That was my affiliate training.
Dave Fee. Dave P. Dave Fee. I just said
Dave P. Otter Gang.
But Dave P. from the Otter Gang, $5 super chat said, "Much love, Dave P. You are going on the wheel 10 times, my friend."
The gang loves you, blood, man. I don't know. You're stealing all my homies.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It's the country music, man. It's the country music. You know.
It's all the Kanye West tokens.
I made
you're giving
36
out,
on a Phantom short.
It's the Kanye West token. That's right.
Keeper, I made 36 on a Phantom short.
$36 on a Phantom short.
Yeah.
Shout out to AJ Writes Crypto. Hell
Lock it up.
yes.
And that's it. I'm done for the day.
I'm
Because
done.
not everyone here is going to be profitable. I'm going to the next round. I got to go get rich. Don't get wrecked. It's been real.
Yeah.
Diamond Hand 369 with a $2 super chat.
Oh, I can reverse. I like that too. I like that on CoinW. You can reverse.
If it's over, super fan yet.
Right, exactly.
Yeah, let me know what the words are. Let me know what the words are to that. Somebody, please.
Flip it and reverse it.
Flip it and reverse it.
Come on, man.
Come on, catch up, Mustard.
Man.
Come on, man. Come on, Keeper. Catch up, man.
All right, so if we have not already done it, make sure that you guys have put on the bell notifications for not just myself, but every single one of these creators that are working hard to make some money and have some fun. Sign up underneath their links, my link, their link, somebody's link, and start trading so you can get on the show. I'm looking
Where the hell
forward
did AJ go?
I actually
He said
don't.
he's gone.
I actually don't think he
retired.
was totally kidding, but he might have been a little bit.
AJ, how much did you pay in fees on that 37?
I don't know. That's a great question. That's a great question.
Yeah.
I will tell you,
I should probably figure that out, shouldn't I?
Well, I will tell you that the fee structure is very similar to all of the other exchanges.
Look at your
it's
just look at
very,
your
very
total on the right hand side. You'll know what you made off of it, right?
Yeah, I should have limited out of mine because the $62 that I made, I paid $15 in fees.
I did limit out.
Yeah, but it's the size. But think about it. Think about how much leverage you tossed on that. So you probably had a
I did toss quite a bit of
$20,000 position or something. And you paid $15.
There it
You know
is.
what I mean?
Oh,
Where
I
does it
just
show your
closed one
account
by
balance?
accident.
Jenna, you closed a trade on accident.
Yeah. Okay. So I screwed up with one in the beginning and I was down $10. So then I decided to short SSV. I don't know what the hell it is, but there's a bullish divvy on the 15-minute plus the other ones look kind of dumpy. So I shorted that and now I'm in profit totally like $6 on the whole account. So all good. That one was $22. So got me out of the hole. Yeah. Now I got to find one more good one.
Love profits. Shout out to Dank in the house, part of the DCA fam. Dank, I got you with a $5 super chat. Appreciate you, brother.
Bro, how do you find out what your running account balance is?
On the right.
On the right.
On the right, I believe.
It'll say available margin.
Maybe you got to zoom. Maybe you're zoomed in, blood.
Yeah, I'm actually long Ethereum again because it's
ETH.
bouncing off of my 9. So I'm gonna see if it
doesn't make sense.
hits
Bro.
resistance.
Because
And then
it
I'll
says
close out of
account.
it again.
Let me see.
I shared my chart. I can go over my trade I made.
Yes.
I made some money.
Let's check it out. Alex made just some money. We'll see what kind of number came out of this, but let's see what you got, Alex. Hit it.
Oh, it's obviously narrative driven. So I've told you guys about this before where you go into volatility and what's moving. And obviously it's Toncoin. It's simple today.
Hell yeah. Who called Toncoin, baby? Keeper called Toncoin. That's right.
I had a little trade set up. I got it early. Made a nice, what did I make here? Woo-wee. Let's see. Made a nice 23. No, wait.
$23,000.
$23.87, baby. Let's go to the upside.
Nice.
So just a quick little scalper rally. We are rolling over right now, so that would have been a nice little bear div here on Market Cipher. However, just trading the narrative, right? Seeing what's going. Bitcoin's rolling over right now, so just being patient right now, waiting for another setup to see if I can get it. Is there rewards for like really burying people and like getting like more money than you should, get ricked? Or I'm just gonna keep degenning in. Like, do I get staying power if I have more money in my bank account?
Hold on. What's the question? Whose chart do I have?
Use your words.
How is somebody?
Oh, that's mine. Sorry, I can stop sharing.
No, that was me. No, that was me. I just clicked the wrong button. Don't worry about it. You got to realize there's a boomer running the.
You just got to survive, right? Okay. The last time it was survival of the fittest.
It is. You just got to survive. You got to obviously enter and exit at least a single trade. While you're.
So I can go make a coffee now.
Here.
But
so
do you trade outside of this, or do you only trade on the stream?
Only on the stream. And you got to exit. And you've got to exit while you're on here as well.
So we have to exit before it stops.
Yes, correct.
Got it.
And I'm about
this
to hit the
morning
30-minute
at like
mark.
4 a.m. would have been the time to trade.
Well, the problem, Johnny, and this is always the problem with this show, is that scheduling 10 people and getting everybody at the right time is so.
Yeah, Johnny, I wouldn't have woke up at 4 o'clock.
Reverend Blood does not get up at 4 a.m. to trade.
Sorry, I love you guys, but
he's chilling the lo-fi beats still.
Every time that I have gotten liquidated, it's always effing at like
dropping,
1 or
2
a.m.
Dropping big.
Are we dropping?
Hey, Blood, you remember that time you said don't short?
Oh, I'm short.
Oh, the bounce is coming. Double bottom.
All right.
I'm 3x short.
Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all my squiggles. Let me show y'all my squiggles real quick. So I drew these squiggles earlier today. All right. My squiggles here, right? I have my squiggles working their way back down to the value area high. I think we're going to fart around on that value area high. If we do not blast through that value area high, we are going to then take off up to the right. That is what I'm thinking right now. But hey, somebody tell me I'm wrong. I don't know. Do we think we're coming back down lower?
Pull up my screen real quick.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Has anybody clicked the reverse button yet?
Yes, I have.
Did it just enter you into the same exact position the opposite way?
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
They charges you fees on both sides too.
Yeah. Money.
What to do? Hit you on the fees both ways.
I'm short. I've been short Solana since we started.
Okay.
I'm up 17% on that one. Short BNB about 4%.
Nice. Okay.
And short Bitcoin about 7%.
But look, Bitcoin about to bounce, bro.
So you're up. You're up on 3 of your 3 trades.
Well, right. Yeah,
but they were all $5 positions.
Right. Yeah. Right.
All right. Let's take a pause. Let's take a pause real quick. Round the horn. I need everybody's totals. Alex O, what's your total right now?
My total is $1,023.87.
Okay, 1,023. Jenna,
how are you seeing that, bro?
I am $1,006.29.
Okay, OC guy.
I just cancel everything because I don't know what to see my total, but I see a valid margin 999.59.
Where are you guys seeing this number?
On the right hand
underneath sell short.
AJ, what are you at?
Scroll down.
1,006.
1,006.
Jenna beat me by 20 cents.
All right. Blood, what are you at?
Mine is not showing. It's like my account balance says 540, 554.
That's what you have in the trade.
Well, that's because you.
Yeah, add your margin in there too, plus what you're making.
TradeFly, what are you at?
Yeah, come back to me, bro.
Yeah, I'm working. I gotta add it all up, man. You're making me do math.
I gotta add it all up.
I don't know how you guys. I don't know how you guys just did that.
I'm at 1,008.
Okay.
If you just go to your account little thingy, and it says wallets, just go to assets overview. It'll tell you estimated.
Okay, I'll do it that way.
And then just click back and go back to trading.
Okay. I'm at 918.
Hold on. Blood, go ahead.
Yeah. 967.
Okay. 967. Magic.
999.75.
Okay. And Johnny.
I'm currently at $1,037, and I just added to a losing position so far on Ethereum because I'm going long. I'm thinking I'm bouncing here. So
TradeFly, what are you at?
1,018.
1,018. Okay, so we have. So we have OC guy. What was your cents? I didn't think I was gonna have to grab cents from somebody, but I needed it apparently.
59.91.
Oh, so hold on a second. You're at 999.59.
Yeah, 91.
OC guy and Blood are going to spin the wheel. Let me pull it up right quick. We're gonna spin this wheel now. Listen, I've got the max leverage written on these already. So we're going to do some shitcoin playing here. Here we go. You guys are both going to trade the same asset. To make this simple, you got to use the leverage that's on there. You ready? Let's see what we got.
I like this wheel a lot better.
Let's see what we got here.
There.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We have got. We're doing Pepe 50X. That is the highest leverage you can go on Pepe.
They're playing with their PP.
So you've got 15 minutes to make it clear.
Dude, that is such
15
a good
minutes.
sandwich at Jimmy John's.
You've got to do a 50X. You've got to do a 50X trade, and you can put as much as you want, but you got to at least do $100.
All right.
All right. You can put as much as you want, but you at least got to do $100. So it's going to be
on PP.
You know what I mean? On a 50X trade.
So
cool.
Damn, we got to put 5,000 on there. Okay. All right.
For entertainment purposes only,
on
obviously.
Pepe?
On Pepe. Yeah. Not everybody, Drew. It was just OC guy.
What if we want to?
Well, if you just want to, go for it. That's they're being penalized.
I don't even see Pepe. I see 1,000 Pepe, and that's it. That's it. All right, cool.
Yep, that is.
Let's see what we got. I'll see if I want to take a trade.
They're being penalized, but hey, if you want to jump on there and have some fun with it, 15 minutes to get in and out of a trade.
Man. I just want to be in the battle, bro. I just want to be swinging my sword.
Listen, they get to hand off a 2% hit to somebody else's account if they're able to get in and out of a trade profitably, including
so
fees.
OC guy, you got to put 5,000 or more up.
Yeah, you got to make sure.
What, like on size 5,000?
Well, listen. So it's got to be at least $100 with 50
$100 margin.
Yeah.
Your cost has to be whatever your margin is. Just make sure the cost is $100.
Hopefully the forecast is correct.
Yes, forecast. Weatherman.
That phantom short.
How
what
long
were
do
you
they have
trading?
to be in the trade?
TradeFly? What asset did you trade?
Just Bitcoin.
Look at you.
I went 20x short off the break.
Nice.
Post said 1 Pepe equals 1,000 Pepe. Basic math.
Zeros, bro.
Post says, there goes the 1% trade rule. Listen, Post, yes, this absolutely is for entertainment purposes. We want to see who can play the game, who can have some fun. And then, guys, everybody watching has the advantage here, right? There's over $40,000 up for grabs on this show. So if you guys have not signed up already, make sure that you sign up. You're not being forced to spin some shitcoin wheel. You're not being forced to trade at a particular time of day. You're not being forced to any of that. You guys get to just come on whenever you want, trade, be the top, be the best, and then come on the show next season. I'm super excited about it. So let me just take a brief second to thank our sponsors, CoinW, for providing all of the liquidity. There's going to be a leaderboard up every single week. There's going to be a leaderboard for the community, and there's going to be a leaderboard up for us as well. So I'm excited about that. I'll let you guys know where we can see that. They've done a good job with that. And then don't be stupid. Use High IQ if you're looking for a fantastic indicator to use in confluence with other indicators and your TA prowess already. Make sure to check that out. And last but not least, I'm going to mention them because I don't have them on the stream. I don't have a link on, or I mean, I don't have a if I could speak, a logo. There we go. I don't have their logo. I know, right? I don't have their logo up on the screen because they're doing some things in the background. But shout out to Validity. They are one of our sponsors as well. I'm going to be explaining to you guys over the next couple of weeks something super cool that you can do with your Ethereum. As opposed, if it's just your Ethereum bags that you're just sitting holding, this is a new way of staking, and I like it. It's really cool. So shout out to Validity as well. All right, let's go through. Magic, you have been quiet. So you're either killing it or
illing it.
Or Magic, what's
what?
Up? Or what?
I'm just chilling, bro.
Just chilling? You're not even in a trade yet?
I've been in a couple trades.
Okay. And?
Profitable for now.
They're profitable for now. Okay.
We're going to see if we can't get a little bounce back to the New York session point of control.
Okay.
That's about it.
I like it. I like it. What's everybody else doing? Anybody in a banger of a trade right now?
Horrible.
I'm positive, but I have a $6,300 trade in Ethereum. I see that we're bouncing off the 9-day here, so I'm just holding it.
Okay. You long?
Yeah, I thought I closed my trades.
Yeah,
but
no,
apparently I hit
long.
the limit orders instead, so that happens.
Yeah, I was short when we were hitting resistance, but now we're somewhat hitting, at least on the 5 and 3-minute and 15-minute since I really am a swing trader. I like holding stuff overnight. So scalping is not my favorite thing to do, but since
it's a lot different. It's a lot different way to trade, right? And actually, it's funny because when I started to really dive into trading, it was when the show started months ago. And so the way that I have the way that I have learned to trade has been actively like this. Well, not somebody forcing me to trade, but basically what I'm saying is like doing really short time frames and looking at entries and exits. And ultimately, like Magic has helped me out a lot with doing volume trading. I really like the value area high, the point of control value area. I like chasing and watching volume and then using some indicators and confluence with it. It's done really well on short time frames for me. So I'm going to keep doing that because it's worked. It's been working.
Keeper, can I show something on on my screen?
Yeah, what you got?
Because scalp trading, is it not showing?
I've got your screen up, yeah.
Oh shit, because I have the wrong here. Let me stop that one.
Okay.
And then share because I was sharing something else.
Yes, sir.
What?
All right. There we go. That should work now.
Let me pull it up. Loading.
Yeah, we don't want to trade OnlyFans page. So.
Yeah. So
please bring the right page up.
Day trading and scalp trading is like some of the hardest things you could possibly do. And unfortunately, we live in a society of people that just want to tell me what to invest in and what I can make $1 million. And it's the whole high level marketing deals with like Amway and all sorts of stuff. But this is interesting. It just shows you how many times people make money if they were to hold a stock for one day. Means 52% of them were in positive. But if you held something for 10 years, you were at 90% at that point. And at 30 years, everybody was profitable. So it doesn't matter if things are going down or up. It's more about just understanding the asset that you're in and having faith to believe in it is really the key to success as far as long-term stuff.
I would also push back that that inflation definitely.
But like, what if it's Blockbuster? You know what I mean? So,
So my whole deal on I used to be a financial advisor for about 6 years, and I hate those guys because the finance world, they're a bunch of just number people that they're really big dickheads. They're just doing coke and
rent seekers. They're rent seekers.
I've heard that.
Yeah. So I couldn't get myself to continue doing it. So I kind of threw up the bird and left all that stuff. But God, what is my point here that I am making is my philosophy on investing is whatever you use, you should invest in. Like, here's my Apple iPhone. I own, 20 grand of Apple stock because I use it. As soon as somebody else, maybe Android, has something that sparks my interest, I'm going to sell all my Apple stock and I'm going to buy Samsung. That's just how you should do. If I lose faith in it, then there's no point in me holding on to the stock. And same thing with Netflix or whatnot. And I'm getting close here to my resistance, and I might close this trade in for $15 here. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to see if we're going to go over $3,660. Right now I'm at profit 15. We'll see. I'm just going to hold on.
We had some profit on the show today. I like seeing that. Listen, we got 5 minutes left. So let me do a quick check-in here. We got 5 minutes left, not on the show, 5 minutes left on the hot seat. So Mr. Reverend Blood and OC guy, how are the trades going? Blood, let me start with you.
Holy Spirit ain't doing me right now, brother. Holy Spirit ain't doing me right. I'm down,
OC guy, how are you?
$25 right now.
All right.
Not that good. I just opened up the position. Nonetheless, I'm still 1.69% up at profit and loss, $1.1 up. So
moving then. Hold on a second, but you're down 1.1% on that trade?
Yeah, on this trade, 1.53% up, 56% up.
Oh, you're up
50.
Yeah,
1.56.
Yeah, but it's oh my God, it's just
50x. I mean, it's gonna jump around.
So, you want us to just share screens, bro?
Yeah, we can see it. Yeah, let's see it.
Okay. I think I have my screen.
I tried to get in on a long, but it didn't hit my limit.
Didn't execute.
No, it still hasn't.
Here. So yeah, I'm down on this Pepe.
Okay. What did you long it and it's head of or did you short it? I mean,
short it.
Yeah, he's short.
I see it. Isolated open short. I see it. All right, so you are getting beat up for the moment. That's at 50x.
Yeah. So have my man show his so we can see exactly what the hell's going on. Weather guy.
The weather guy.
Perfect. So right here, it seems like I am barely holding right here. I did open almost at breakout confirmation, and I was also about to open a short, but this is what's going on. Look at this range right down here, right? And this range, it's a very solid range, but there's something funny happening here that you see this little line in the center. We're making the push above it, and as we always see this, when we have a range of any pattern and we drew a center line on it, and then we start hovering above it, we have a little bit more momentum build up, and we can see that momentum being built up right here at the breakout of the 0 line, and also at my prime score getting from 3 to 5, basically telling me that we're going to be consolidating, and then I can maybe even do a reverse trade right here and open up a position right here. So at this point, I will be holding my long position till I get somewhere around this area, because we have a soft order block, and we've been pushing, like Harry Piper says, the Sheldon Cooper effect, right? So that's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm holding at this point. We'll see how it goes. So at this point, negative 0.1.11%. But as you can see, that that prime score is doing its matching, and we are.
Explain the prime score to me, OC guy.
All right, so the prime score, it's a little bit of mathematics is intensive, but here's kind of like the easy way to look at it through. So the prime score, it goes along all of the ChartPrime indicators and tells you whether we're bullish or bearish. So for me, we have two magic numbers, 0 and 10. Those are my unicorn numbers. We're never going to be seeing them. When you see them, you know you should be doing something about it. Then we have 1, 2, and 3, which means we are bearish, right? Then 4, 5, and 6, we are neutral, and that's a good position to start opening or looking for a ranging strategy, a hedge strategy, maybe taking 50% out in and out as you go. And then 7, 8, and 9, we are bullish, and you should be looking for retracements to jump in. And also pair it with your consolidation score number 9, telling me that we are about to break the range, and everything is pushing at an upwards breakout.
So there is a lot of different factors that play into.
Look at the spaghetti in the chat, man. They love your spaghetti, bro. Mexican spaghetti, they call it.
Nice.
This is my secret. I do have my green ball here. Oh, sorry, my crystal ball.
Hey, Alex O, quick question.
Yeah, bro.
I did a phantom short. I went in at $1,006. I was up $45. I hit limit out on the price it was at, and now I'm at $9.98. What happened?
I probably entered it as a market because your price was below what the actual price was, so it automatically confirmed.
The price was the price in the order book,
but it happened so fast, right?
Like yeah, you probably when you entered it and when the price moved, it probably got triggered as a market order, which is annoying.
Shout out to Emacs, baby. I'm just kidding.
Damn! Oh, damn! Oh, come on, AJ, come on, man.
That whole thing wasn't set up. It was all a setup.
Much underhanded. Come on.
Damn. Yeah, I'm
doing
good.
Yeah, so like definitely you entered, and it's
okay. That's
annoying.
very strange. That's very annoying.
All right, so let me check in. It is 1:45. Blood, were you profitable or not so much?
Oh, am I supposed to close out?
Yeah, you can close it out. Well, hey, no, hold on. You don't have to close it out right now. You do not have to close it out. You can keep it open if you want to, but the time for to get the trade profitable is over. So did you make it or not? You didn't, right?
No, I'm down $25, bro.
OC guy.
Plus 8%. Go to my charts.
Plus 8%.
Yeah.
What?
6%. It's moving. Look at that.
What?
Making that push as we predicted. We're breaking. Yeah, it's now time for me to close this one because we're going
you need to close
that softer. Yeah.
You got to close it to be profitable. So let's see it.
Oh, come on. Look at that. Oh, close it. Oh, my God. One more second.
No, you can keep it.
Keep it open.
Nice.
Keep it open.
Yeah, we should have kept it
open.
Let it run.
I need to disappear this thing before I can. Yeah.
All right, so look, so OC guy, here's your opportunity, bro. You just got out of the hot seat profitably. So you get to pick somebody on the stream. Take your pick. Who would you like to hand a 2% hit to their bags?
All right. Can I do something a little twisty here? I want to pick somebody that picks for me.
You want to pick somebody that picks for you?
No,
no.
Don't try to off.
You're putting that hate on someone else, man. No, put
direct the pain right to him, OC.
Yeah. Hit it.
You hit it, OC.
All right.
You're winning your hand it out.
Who are you giving?
Man.
It can't be that big of a hit. It'd be $20 at the most. Who is it? Who's giving?
All right. Sorry, brother. I really nice to meet you, by the way. But AJ.
I knew it was coming to me.
Nice to meet you. You're here.
Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
No personal, nothing personal. Promise.
All good.
Hey, can you,
All good.
hold up. Can you give it to the dude that was late? Can you give it to Bullish? Going.
AJ, can I? Oh, no. That wouldn't be fair. That wouldn't be fair. AJ was late,
done,
right? He's gonna be
That's
penalized.
why I'm not caring today.
Mexican cartel now.
Nice to meet you, but I love it.
AJ, I'll DM you a trade setup, bro. I got you, bro.
All right, so we got 80 people. We got 80 people in here. 80 people that should be sharing this stream out. Let's continue to have some fun. Make sure that you guys are trading as well. We got $40,000 in prizes. Shout out to CoinW for being one of our fantastic sponsors. High IQ, don't be stupid. Use High IQ in confluence with other indicators and your trading knowledge. We love it. And shout out to Validity. So thank you to all the sponsors. Let me do a little check.
I just wish they had. This is the one thing about CoinW. I like everything so far about it.
I saw what you were doing.
You on my chart?
Yeah, I am. I pulled it up because I saw a little something I wanted to look at. That's fantastic. I like it.
So I just closed 75% of my Ethereum long for $15.
Nice.
And I am up 5% on the account. I'm at $1,052.
I like it.
Nice.
Let's go.
Let's go.
And I did move my stop as well. Now my stop is guaranteed on the last $1,600 I have in the trade. I'm guaranteed not to lose any money if it reverses on me.
I like it.
There you go.
Playing it smart. I like it. Jenna, we haven't heard from you for a while. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm pretty much at the same thing. I'm actually down in one trade like $2 right now.
Okay.
But I found a bullish divvy, like a double bullish divvy on the 7-minute on one of the tokens. So I jumped into that.
On one of the tokens. She's being so cryptic today. On one of the tokens I can't tell any of you about, but I found it. That's right.
But dang, man, this is one of the reasons why I don't like scalping is because I tend to use maybe a little bit more leverage than you need to, and you pay such high fees.
Yeah.
Scalping, like I should have made $80 so far, but I've only made 55.
Yeah, well, welcome to the world of leverage trading. That is that's the benefit of being able to, think about it though. When a trade takes off, let's just say you're able to 10x leverage, right? You're going to pay a fee to do it, but you're able to trade as if you got 10 grand when you only had 1,000. So
absolutely. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with leverage trading. I actually really love leverage trading. That's primarily
you generally put in a little bit more than maybe you feel like you need to
Scalping is tough, especially like today where things are in a range. Man, 5, maybe even 8 hours ago, that's when short-term scalping would have been really interesting. But no, I'm a big believer in looking at the 4-hour, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. Those are my favorite charts. I tend to stay away from the hour, 30-minute, 15 minutes. So this is kind of touching up on stuff that I'm having fun because it's touching up on stuff that I use. But like if you see my chart, I am a huge fan of like almost having nothing on my chart. I am a big I like drawing lines basically, and I just like seeing price action because numbers don't lie. So
I like it. Hey, Blood, can we give a round of applause? I don't mean to cut you off, Johnny. Can we give a round of applause for Bullish Trader for showing up to the stream?
Yes, sir. There
Bullish.
Coming in with vengeance.
What up?
He's got a 10% penalty.
Is he alive and well? Can he hear us?
Focused. Focused.
He's focused. He's diving into
firing it all up.
I was going to ask you to do a wellness call.
We'll do a wellness check on Bullish.
If we hadn't heard from him, Bullish, for a second there. He was speeding down the highway. Make sure he made it. He made it.
Do a wellness check. He doesn't have his headphones on, so he hasn't heard any of that. So we gave him a round of applause for nothing. That's okay. All right, so I want to also say the Trading Warz Season 4 that is smacking Alex O and TradeFly right in the face the whole entire stream. I will get rid of that for the. I actually know that I just need to move it on up. So apologize. You guys could either duck or it's stuck there.
I'm pretty sure, man. TradeFly might have some problems though.
All right, so
I ain't that tall either, man.
Let's see here. Who have I not heard from for a little bit?
Magic. What's Magic
Alec.
doing?
Oh,
Magic's been quiet today.
I want to see the Batwing pattern to the upside breakout with the Fibonacci extension to the 618, man.
You don't need none of that. Yeah, sure. I'll share my chart. I'll show you guys what I was doing.
Let's see it. I like it.
So
I always learn from Magic. So
yeah, so I actually took a different approach today. I normally would do things more along the lines of regressions or trend, but I do a couple different things that a lot of people don't. So I've developed tools that make levels for like an entire session. In this case, it's a day. So I took previous day data and then basically made my own deviations for it. And I just outlined them on the chart, and I've just been trading them. So we came down to the 6 standard deviation from our 0 line, which is all the way down here. So you're pretty far away from your trend base, but yeah, you came down here, monthly open. It's also like your daily val, New York val. There's 3 confluences, easy long. 1 minute SFP, really nice. And validation, stop loss below the low. Now you're just looking for the New York session point of control, which comes in like right here. So very, very simple.
That's exactly what I did. It's crazy that you and I traded exactly the same way on that. Magic, so.
Yeah, so what were you saying about the reverse button? Were you guys having issues with it taken?
No, I didn't.
No, I haven't tried it yet.
These will mess you up, but it's not. If you time it right, it can be useful, but it's dangerous. It's dangerous.
Because what, it charges you on both sides of the trade?
I don't know if it charges you both sides. I just know it's like it's another trade, so it's another fee. You know what I mean?
Well, I want to open another trade because I'm already hitting my resistance.
And you want to go the exact opposite way?
Yeah, so I'm gonna close this one for another $6 and 15%. I'm gonna hit that reverse.
Bullish. You got the headphones on. You alive and well. Glad to see you here.
And that took all my profit.
Exactly. Yeah.
So it cost the $6 that I had. It cost $6 to open the trade. So now I know. But then again, guys, I'm using higher leverage. I'm at 45, so there is a cost of doing business here. So.
That's the cost of doing
Why
business.
did that not close my trade?
No doubt.
We
got 80 plus people in here. Do we not have 80 likes? We need to be able to get at least 80 likes.
What?
I don't know how we don't. AJ, what? Did you just get smacked or you just did something
No,
incredible?
I went to get out of the trade and it closed some of it, I think, and now it's like not closing it. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this.
Are you market or limit?
I'm limit. And I limited it.
You probably just
and
didn't get the whole.
It said success, and then it didn't. Most of the trade is still in there, I suppose. I don't know.
Maybe it wicked through it. That's really weird.
Yeah.
It's trading above my take profit right now, and it still hasn't exited my position. That's good. Well, I'm just going to manually close it, so that's fine.
So what? You have trouble limit closing?
Yeah, the limit didn't work. It didn't limit me out. I just had to mark it out because I had the limit order in at 717.
Yeah.
Just front running my target a little bit, and it was just trading above it with it just open.
Yeah, there's definitely a little bit of a learning curve here because whenever I hit close on my last ones, it just put in limit orders, and so now I'm stuck in my trades like not in the way that I want to be.
So you're saying when you limit out for whatever reason, it's not closing the entire position. It's closing part of it. Everybody's having that issue?
Yeah,
no.
It said I was up $40, and then I closed it, and some of the position came out because I could see it in my available margin, but it didn't take the whole thing, and then it went the other way, and then I ended up losing on the trade when I was up $45. I don't know what happened at all. I can't explain it.
So I just lost my first one because it hit my stop when I reversed
it. Was
I shouldn't have
very frustrating.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that, AJ. That's no fun.
It's okay.
Yeah.
That is no fun. OC guy, how are things treating you down there, brother?
I just reopened. I was stick with Pepe. I just reopened another position for the long run. It seems like we are doing that push through that soft order block. We already have almost a confirmed breakout on this channel right here, waiting for this candle to close. And well, not really waiting. already went into that position, still like a little bit on the water. Here we go. But I do have high hopes because my prime score is still on 5. And as you can see, we are reaching this area as we break out. I'm just waiting for this soft order just to get out of my way to go all the way up here to whatever this number is, a ton of zeros, 7738. So
are you in a trade right now, or you're?
I'm in a trade.
Okay, you're in waiting to exit, or you're saying you're waiting to add to the position.
Oh, none of those. I'm waiting for this order block to get out of my way for my trade to pump.
Yeah. I got you for the trade to pump.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Got it. Okay, cool. All right, so let's go around the horn. It is almost 2 o'clock, so I want to kind of check where everybody's at. You cannot go into the hot seat twice, by the way. Just food for thought there. Johnny, I'll start with you. We'll go the other direction now. What's your trade, or what are your numbers?
I'm at 1,041 right now.
1,041. Okay, Magic.
1,154. I don't think I opened up the size of position I thought I did.
Okay, Drew. Drew ran to the potty. TradeFly.
All right, let me update it here. I am at 993.
Okay. Bullish.
Yeah, hold on. I'm just getting all this shit set up.
Okay, Bullish is at 1,000. Blood.
922.
922. Alex.
1023.
1023. OC guy.
I'm making math. I don't want to cancel this thing, so 948 plus my position, right?
Mm-hmm.
49, 47, 997.47.
Jenna.
$1,003.26.
And AJ.
923. Shout out to Femex.
And we'll figure out where Drew's at when he gets back. I didn't see him. I didn't see him step away. So AJ and
Yep.
It's going to be AJ and TradeFly.
Okay.
AJ and
So how big do you have to do the position on the thing? It's just profitable.
I want to see AJ say, "Nice to meet you too."
It's got to be at least $100 in margin. It's got to be at least $100 in margin, and then it'll be either a 50x or a 20x, depending on what comes up here. Hold on a second, I'll tell you.
Okay.
$100 in margin, basically.
Yep. $100 in margin, but you got to do what the leverage is that comes up here.
I got you.
Spinning the shitcoin wheel. Here we go. What do we got? The shitcoin gods have blessed you with 50x on SHIB.
Yes, I like that.
50x on SHIB. There it is. Do your thing. So that'll be a $5,000 trade. $100 in margin, 50x.
Can I bag it?
You've got 50. You can do whatever you want with it. You've got 15 minutes. So the show has 30 minutes left. You've got 15 minutes to get out of that position profitably.
I love it. AJ's like, there is no in between.
So, Keeper, are you gonna then in 15 minutes tell them that they have to get out of it if they haven't already?
Yeah, unless they're at a loss and they're going to take the hit anyway, and they just want to stay in the position to try to help their personal bag. Like you were at a game, who was, I think it was OC guy. OC guy was up. So does that make sense? Like if you're down on the trade and you're going to take the loss anyway, you can stay in it if you want, but to actually close it out to give the ability to pass on the 2% to somebody else, you got to close it. Yeah.
So let's say we're in a winning trade when this stream ends. Yep. Do we just have to exit or losing no matter what?
Yeah. No matter what, either way. You got to be totally out. Yep, got to be totally out. Out of all your trades, because what we had happen was on some of the other seasons, we let people trade outside of, or maybe didn't make it totally clear whether they could or couldn't, and just kind of like let them fly with it. And then a couple people fell asleep with trades open and got liquidated overnight. And then all of a sudden they couldn't trade on the show. And like just shout out to Crypto Crow. Shout out to Crypto Crow for falling asleep overnight.
They effed up their re-up money, man.
That's right. That's right. And in the streets, they don't play around with that re-up money. You better bring it.
No, sir.
No, sir. Right. That's right.
So I'm actually back long on Ethereum. I see that we broke out a little bit on my resistance line, and it's looking like it's becoming support again. So I am up $8 right now on Ethereum. I went lighter this time. I only have a trade open that's $4,000 worth right now. So
all right. Well, keep killing it, bro. You're back and forth on ETH. I love it. If you're not following me already on X, make sure to do that at Crypto Wars OG. And then everybody on the stream here, make sure that you're following them on YouTube, on X, on all of the platforms. They're working hard for you. And make sure to sign up. Make some money. We've got $40,000 worth of money and fun giveaway stuff going on. So make sure to sign up. And then we're going to bring some of you guys on the stream next season. So I'm excited about that. Let me jump into the chat real quick, see what's going on. I haven't been paying too much attention to the chat, so I apologize. Anthony Soprano thinks that someone's about to be liquidated. I don't know who that would be. I highly doubt that people are trading their whole bag without a stop, but I mean, I don't know, AJ, AJ would probably maybe.
Yeah, I'm trading 6% of my account, but with like a 1%
with a high leverage.
So
okay.
Oh, Pep is flying.
Pepe's flying. You making some money down there?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Let's see it.
Yeah.
Let's see it.
Put it on.
All right. Boom.
Yeah, Doge woke up too.
There we go. We have out of the way that soft order block, and we are ripping. Right now, the stop loss is somewhere around here. I already have my stop loss set up here at 75% taking profits, and then I'll just keep trailing into the upside, maybe till to the rest of the. Here we go. Perfect. There we go.
Damn.
Now
that thing's rocking and rolling, baby.
Take some profits. Yeah, it's time for me to close it all. There we go. Perfect. Nice.
How nice of a trade was that?
Beautiful trade. Just
is that on the 1 minute?
Missing the indicators. What is it?
That was on a 1 minute chart.
1 minute and 3 minutes. Yes.
Okay. What was the profit on that, OC guy?
I'm so proud of you, OC.
No idea. Hopefully not below.
It's like it's so much money, I can't even add it up. It doesn't fit on the screen.
No. Total right now I'm back at $1,004. So back on the game.
Hell yeah! Congratulations.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Let's get it.
Sorry, I didn't mean to cuss. I wasn't sure.
Making money. No, you're good. You're good. I mean, I try to not get too wild with it. But
no. What the fuck, Johnny?
AJ knows I have a potty mouth.
I can't see any of my P&L. Like my numbers don't show up anymore.
It's the glasses, Ray Charles. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
No, seriously, I can't. It's not showing anything.
Share your screen. Going against me.
You want to share your screen?
Yeah, see down here is showing nothing, and I did a refresh and everything. It's not showing anything.
Look up at your wallet? Go up to your wallet. Hit the little eyeball.
Refresh.
Go to the wallets and then hit the little eyeball.
Let me see. But it's still, I mean, it shows that, but I need to know like where my positions are. It's not showing anything. You see that?
Kind of. I can see it. It's just small, but yeah.
It's not showing.
Those are open positions?
I don't know where. Yeah. I'm in positions. If I go to contracts and switch back over, it's not showing me anything.
Any of my experts in the house, because I'm definitely not the expert.
I just see it on the right is where I see like the total, and then at the bottom you can see like
on the right, on the far right, all the way over to the right.
Yeah.
All the way over to the right.
But you get what I'm. No, but I'm
saying,
like
the actual P&L. I don't see mine either. I don't know. I have no idea.
It just started though.
There's P&L on the trade I'm in. I can see them on.
Yeah, on your. So Blood, are you in an open trade? Or are you talking about the results of your trade?
Oh, open trades. I'm looking at.
Then go to your trade and scroll it to the right.
Yeah, go to your actual trade.
Yeah. Wait, I just got logged out.
That's what I'm saying. Something is wrong because
But on your right-hand side, does it say unrealized P&L?
Oh, no, you can see it on his screen. Look at his screen. It says P&L, and there's nothing there.
There's nothing there. I can't see
No, but I'm saying on the far right-hand.
Just hit a refresh.
I did. I hit refresh a couple of times. It's not showing anything.
Oh,
it's strange.
And it's not showing it on the far right either.
I would maybe log out and log back in. But I mean, you can see what it is underneath the buy long and sell short icons. Under there, it says,
look under mine. It says NAND.
No, but go one further under assets. You've got the position margin, then unrealized P&L. Is there a number there?
zero. It's zeroed out. I don't have anything.
Yeah.
So yeah,
I'll log out. I got logged out. This is great.
I'll log out and see what's going on, man.
Oh boy! Crazy. All right, so we're having some fun on the stream today.
Good fun.
Blood, I'm gonna take your screen off there so you can log in and in privacy.
You. Good. Yeah, thank you.
Let's do that on your
log in.
Everybody watch your passwords there. Jenna, how are you doing up there?
Oh, I just screwed up exiting a position, and instead of and then my screen like all refreshed and went weird, and then realized I was still in it, and then I don't even know what just happened. But at least I'm still like above the 1,000. I'm at $1,001, but I just had like a $8 profit and tried to close it, and it did not work out.
It's no worries. You can show my login screen. My password is Fairdesk.
Oh boy, I'm not gonna have a partner next month. Thank you. You and shout out to Blood and AJ.
I'm just going. Yeah, there you go. I'm going the way of AJ. That's all. Let me see here.
What kind of leverage are you guys using?
19.
I had 20x on mine, and it was a SHIB long,
but the leverage doesn't matter. It's what your leverage is times your margin, like what's your margin you're putting up. So it really,
the whole bag
doesn't matter what your margin.
Whole bag 19.
That's whole bag. Oh,
yeah.
A caffeinated crypto wants to let everybody know it must be the eclipse. It's affecting.
It must be seriously.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Maybe.
Yeah, it must be.
God damn it. Darn it.
So no one else is having technical difficulties either?
I mean, I just did, but
yeah, the same thing happened to me on a trade that I was up like 50 or 60 on, and I ended up losing $14 or something.
Let me see.
Michael B said, "Smash the like. That's going to help out Blood's problem." I agree.
Thank you.
Smash the like.
Thank you.
That's definitely the problem. Sure.
That's the solution.
You got to trade the YMCA coin, says Mark Dutch. /USDT.
Yeah. So are we like? Is the goal just to be up on this? So should I just take profit on this trade and chill and just fucking leave it at that?
Well, you better take a lot of profit because you're getting smacked in the ass for being 50 minutes late.
Bro, I'm still not seeing P&L. I'm not seeing anything, bro. This is...
Try a different browser.
Drive from North Carolina.
Blood, can you see your money? Like, can you see that the money's in your wallet?
Well, I can see...
Theoretically,
I see available. Okay, let me go look.
Like, just go up and like just look to make sure that something isn't super wonky. Can you see the money in the account?
Yeah, I think so. God. Yeah, I have money in the account, but it's not showing anything. Like I don't know where I'm at on the position.
We'll get in a we'll jump in. We'll jump in afterwards with CoinW and figure out what was going on with that. And anybody else having that problem, or is it just Blood?
Not that one. No.
Just Blood.
Yeah, I would say different. Try a different browser.
Blood, it's because you're black, bro. I just want
I wasn't going to use the race card, but thank you for using the race card. Thank you.
Definitely. That's it. That's definitely it. CoinW's racist bastards.
It's location specific too, bro.
CoinW, I love you. That's a joke. I'm a smart ass. Okay, just don't let go of me yet. All right, so we've got 20 minutes left. We got 5 minutes left on the hot seat. How are we doing on the hot seat, by the way, gentlemen? Who is in the hot seat right now? We have got AJ, and I believe it is TradeFly. Yeah?
Yep.
AJ, how are we doing?
I'm up $7.
Up $7. Like it? TradeFly?
I am down 0.25%. So
okay. So
less than $1.
Down a hair. We got about 5 minutes left.
Can I close it?
You can close it whenever
you want.
I
have to be in it the whole time?
No, you can close it whenever you want if you can get out profitably. Yeah.
All right. Well,
don't hit the market button, bro.
Yeah, let's be.
You might want to limit out of that.
Let's take our time on this. Hey, Alex, can you take over my computer?
I got you. Put it like up there and then kind of work your way down.
AJ, can I ask you a question? When you lost. I'm going to ask you anyway. When you lost that, you were up like $50, but then you closed. How much leverage did you use?
It was 19.
19. Oh, so
I was actually up. I was up 62, and then I pressed it, and then it said 50 on the P&L, and then it said success, and then on available margin where you see like your total. I was down like 14, and I was like, "Oh yeah, that's totally how that works." Got it. But Yeah, I have no idea what happened. No idea.
All right, I'll get with them and make sure that you know, we're not making some sort of a simple.
And my limit, the number was like a skosh above the order book because I know
so it should have been just set and then you ran.
It should have been plus $60, but I don't know. No idea.
Well, shout out to everybody first day trading. Shout out to all you first day leverage traders on the stream here. No.
Yeah, to anybody who's leverage trading, trade with small amounts on the exchange to get a feel for the wonky level.
Just like how Magic said, you know, he's getting a feel for the orders and how to put them in. You have to know how to use your exchange.
Right. The wonky level.
Mark Dutch thinks Magic is up big time since he's so quiet.
No, I actually messed up the position size, so I executed the trade perfectly, and then it just wasn't as much USDT as I thought it was because it has.
Oh, did you do the old classic $500 at 10x, and you thought it was 5,000 and it was only 50?
And I was like, why am I only showing like a couple dollars profit? What the hell's going on?
I did the same fucking thing.
Yeah, but
so when I first started leverage trading, I had made a few like really solid trades, and I could not figure out. I'm like, why am I making no damn money here? And I'm like, I'm doing a $500 trade here, and I'm putting 10x leverage. And Crusader like looked at it for a second. He's like, bro, you're trading with $50. And I was like, what do you mean? It's freaking 500. It's right there. And he's like, no. The 500 is including the 10x. And I was like, bro, oh, okay. That's why I'm not making money.
This is strange, bro. This is very, very strange.
Oh, Oleg, you told me that was happening today.
It only threw me off because it said isolated when you do that. Most exchanges, when you trade isolated, don't do it that way. That's more of like a like if you're at like a prop firm and they give you like 200 to 1, you have to like calculate your position on like how much you're actually wanting to trade with.
You actually want to trade.
Yeah, because then you're borrowing against it. But yeah, so it was just one of those things where I was like, okay, I got it.
These market buys are terrible on this platform.
Keeper, show my screen one more time.
Yes, sir. Let me pull it up here.
Guys, we need positive things to say.
Dude, I just did a market buy and it put me in down 8% on a trade.
Well, probably.
So you can see I'm still showing nothing on P&L, ROI.
Crazy. And you're in open trades.
And these are my open trades.
Can you scroll over to the right?
Can you scroll over to the right?
Yeah, if I scroll over to the right, it's going to show you that.
Yo,
that is weird.
Hit the button, the button right next to your P&L, the one you can share. Hit the share button. See what that says.
Look
Does
at
it
that.
show it? Oh, it doesn't even show it on there.
Doesn't even show it.
Wow.
Okay, that's interesting.
So, Blood, can you tell? Can you tell if you're up or down in the positions?
No.
No. I'm asking, like, do you know? Do you know with where they're at? Like, can you look at it?
It doesn't. Yeah, I mean, but that doesn't help.
That's not. No. I got you. Hey, look.
BNB.
It just came up.
Oh yeah,
it's live.
It just came up.
Loading time.
It's the eclipse.
What's that about?
It's on
the eclipse, bro.
It's the eclipse
on that dial-up internet.
It's dial-up.
Yeah, man. I gotta get off that AOL. All right, cool.
I have made
$80
today, but 35 of it has gone to fees for closing stuff.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last time I'm going to throw this out there. We are leverage trading. There are fees associated.
Sorry. I just
that's the message of the stream, guys. There's fees
attached to leverage trading, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, and all of mine were limit too. So, but again, that's one of the reasons why. God, maybe I shouldn't talk about scalping. I'm just gonna shut my mouth.
I'm just giving you guys all.
I'm gonna be done for the day because.
Yeah, I think with scalping, it's like a thing where you want to create a situation and you want to like. When you're actually scalping, you want to react to something, like react to a breakout, react to a confluence.
Oh yeah,
you're
being forced. You're reacting to me telling you to trade.
When you're say, all right, go, it's so much different than if you actually had hours and hours and days to plan something. So
and that's why I always tell the audience, like, hey, don't judge the results on here of how specifically good a specific trader is. I'm putting you guys in a shit position. Like it just sucks.
Yeah. You know? No, I think I'm going to change up my my strategy here as far as what I normally do with swing trading with having a little bit higher leverage. I think I'm going to have a bigger position size and lower leverage to try to pay less fees here.
Well, we'll find out how that works out. Best of luck. Let me just jump in. TradeFly and AJ, positive, negative. What's up with the hot seat?
I closed negative right now.
So hold on a second.
36 cents.
TradeFly, you're negative.
36.
Okay,
40
so
cents.
you can either close out or stay in the trade, but AJ, you have to close the trade if you're.
I did.
Positive.
I closed up 14.
You closed up $14.
Nice trade, bro. Nice close. Nice close.
Very
That's
nice. Very nice.
say.
Very nice. Okay, so AJ,
Nice.
you get to hand 2% to somebody else. I wonder who that's going to be.
Oh no, I don't. I want to know who it is I'm giving the dishing out to. So Jenna, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No,
I'm kidding. I'm going with Johnny because he's my friend. He can take it.
Okay,
No,
you're going to Johnny.
I'm going to Johnny. Johnny's my friend. He can take it.
Johnny just took a
He's
2%
winning.
hit.
He can take a 2% dent and still win.
Hulk Hogan, we coming for you, nigga.
All right. I got like 10 minutes to do something with. So how does this work? What am I doing?
No, you don't have to do
Well,
anything.
you're
You just
up,
took a
so-
2%. You just took a 2% hit on your bags. I'll calculate that later.
Because you're up.
OC guy with the tinfoil hat on. Round of applause.
Well, dang it. Well, I'm
Only
up 5%.
shielding
Weatherman.
out.
Hey,
He's ready.
Weatherman.
we lost Drew for a second. There we go. He's back.
So I know the weatherman's gonna with the tinfoil hat. You got to tell us about DARPA.
I'm dead.
I'm shielding. I was shielding out that 2% drawback. And
Oh, I got you. Great.
yeah, I'm shielding out also the thing. Also, Alex was with a heavy here. He
Lunar
told me
Beaches
that we're
says
heavy.
if you're not setting conditional, then it's going to go off of your limit trigger and then fill as close to the price limit as possible.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh wow, that's
Say that
Did
one
not
more
know
time.
that.
That's not a limit order. Round of
So
applause.
it said if you're
Right.
if you're not setting conditional, then it's going to go off of your limit trigger and then fill as close to the price limit as possible. Is this correct, ladies and gentlemen?
Mhm,
I did not know that.
mhm.
Yeah,
Wait,
it is.
say that?
Seems about
It
right.
is correct.
Seems about right.
All right.
Good to know.
Shout out to Lunar Beaches Crypto. Appreciate you, bro. And if you guys are not already following everybody on the stream, make sure to do that. You can follow me over on X, Crypto Wars OG, Wars with a Z. Make sure to do that. And like I said, sign up under one of these traders, whether it's myself or your favorite trader. Maybe you're here because of somebody else. I know a lot of Otter Gang in the house. Maybe you're here for TradeFly, Jenna, Johnny, Blood, AJ, Magic, OC, Bullish, or Drew. Whoever you're here for, sign up underneath them. Make some money, trade, win some money, and come on the show next season. All right, we've got 11 minutes left. So who's still in trades? Who's doing well? Who's doing bad? Let me go around the horn here. Alex O Crypto, how are you doing?
Great, man. Great. I'm just chilling. I'm just enjoying this limit order shenanigans here going on.
Limit order gate.
Right. So nope, same price, same level. I haven't taken any more trades. That ton trade has absolutely pumped to the moon. That would have
What's
been
ton
nice
at
to
right
hold
now?
on. We just
6.25.
pumped 6.3 we hit almost.
We're,
So-
we're pumping
so
even more.
up another 3%.
God, I look like a
from where we started.
That's
But
crazy.
yeah, no, I was just been enjoying the stream and lots of good insight here from everybody. You can definitely learn a lot from everybody here on this show. So it's good to be a part of and enjoying the show so far. So thanks.
Oh man, if the stream, I want to go short, but
Well, let me give a
Only got 10
let me
minutes.
get a in 5 minutes. I'm going to check everybody's actually I'm going to wait 8 minutes. In 8 minutes I'm going to check everybody's price. Actually no, I need to do it in 5 minutes
You
I'm gonna have
should
to set
tell
up a poll.
people
No, just
who's
do
in
it
the
at
bot. Do
3
it now
o'clock,
and
bro.
tell who's in the
Well,
bottom.
but I can't because I guess I can. We're going to be going home a little bit later, but I got to do a poll in the chat to see who they're going to save.
dude, ETH is going
Oh,
down
okay.
here in
Just
the
letting you
next half hour. And
You said ETH is going down in the next half hour?
yeah, by like $20. So
It's gone down, or you're saying
no,
it is going down?
it should be because it's hitting its resistance of the daily high here.
Yeah, damn, Ton is pumping, man. I've got a nice little bag of Ton, and I just took a peek at it, and damn, it looks fantastic.
Don't be peeking
I
at your
never knew if
bag
it's
too much.
ton or
man.
ton.
I know.
Ton.
People, I say ton.
Ton is in one ton.
I always say Tom. Every time I talk to
Yeah,
Keeper.
Bullish, you do say Tom all the time. I'm like, not some dude. It's not your neighbor.
Why is it not? But Keeper, why is it not a ton? Like a ton?
Right.
T-O-N.
Done.
Ton.
Because
out.
Ton.
it's because it is the open network, which would be Ton.
I know, but the word ton.
Phantom.
Like
Oh yeah, for sure. It totally
Potato,
could be.
potato.
But
potato. But
because this is the real answer is you're asking on Crypto Wars, so it's whatever I say goes.
I get into this discussion with my British wife all the time, man.
It is ton when you're in this house. Okay?
All right, let's do it.
All right, so running around the horn. Last I checked, AJ was down a little bit. Jenna was up a little bit. OC guy was down just a hair. Alex was up a nice little bit. Blood was down a decent little bit. Bullish was just flat.
I'm going short in 5 minutes.
TradeFly was down a hair. Drew, I never got I think you ran away for a couple minutes. So I'll get that from you in a minute. Magic was up a hair, and Johnny was until that 2% hit, kicking everybody's ass today. So we'll see.
Yeah,
oh yeah. Hold on. I forgot to tell everybody. Whoever's number one, just like last season, whoever's number one today gets immunity from getting kicked off next week. So that's a big piece there. So
well, we'll see how this little short goes here.
We'll see. Got the big short going on.
Even XRP is up today.
Whoa. It moved?
Buy your lottery tickets, ladies and gentlemen. Get to the store.
Truthfully, like today is not a very good day to almost short anything.
Dude, are people still holding XRP? Jesus.
No.
Listen, my average entry on XRP is like 14 or 15 cents. So yeah, I'm still holding it.
Dude, I had 100,000 of them things. I swapped it for Sui in December at like 44 cents.
You're giggling.
And I never looked back.
Nice.
Right.
Yeah, boy.
Nice play.
Well, when the flip switches, when the switch flips and I'm at $50,000 a token, we'll talk about it, okay?
Maybe it'll happen today because of the eclipse.
Stablecoin announcement, dude, that stablecoin announcement just destroyed any bull run you're going to see on XRP.
I didn't like it either.
Dude, you'd be lucky if that shit sees $1 this bull run.
AJ, how's Algo doing? I know you got your
Algo. It's holding strong actually. It has a couple of support resistance levels, like above 20 cents, and it has actually come down and bounced off of it every time. Similar to HBAR, how HBAR's like do or die levels 10 cents. HBAR has also managed to hold that level. Similar with Graph at like 30 cents. Like a lot of
you did a big HBAR interview, didn't you?
What's up?
You did a big HBAR interview, right?
Yeah, I just
gotta watch
the
that,
CEO and co-founder of HBAR Foundation. And
that's awesome, bro.
I interviewed the founder of VeChain a couple weeks back. I'm interviewing another higher up person at VeChain. I'm flying to Vegas Thursday for UFC 300 with the VeChain team.
Nice.
And then I have a couple other interviews I'm actually not allowed to talk about, but I've been knocking them out. It's been
putting in work, man. That's sick.
That's dope.
Yeah,
that's dope. What else? Anybody else got going on? Anybody got anything they're wanting to promote right now to the people? Let the people know what's going on.
Yeah, go check out the interview I did with the one and only Mark Yusko.
Okay.
Great interview. Go check that one out.
Mark's awesome, man.
Yeah, it sure is.
I'm moderating the Bitcoin Energy Summit. I'm excited about that. That's April 22nd, 23rd in Miami.
You said the Bitcoin Energy Summit?
Yeah. It'll be fun.
When is that?
It's April 22nd, 23rd. The main day is the 23rd in Miami.
I am going to be in Colombia, South America. So I want to tell everybody while we're all here, we all need to hope and pray to the Wi-Fi gods that for a couple of the shows that I have good Wi-Fi down there. We're gonna have to, supposedly the
3.5 weeks.
Oh,
go ahead, Keeper.
Oh, I was just gonna say, supposedly the bougie in Colombia terms places that we rented have fast Wi-Fi. We're gonna find out when we try to run Trading Warz.
Everything's faster in Colombia, bro.
We're gonna try. Yeah, that's right. It's got that special sauce. That's right. What were you saying, Drew?
I've got 2 crowd funds in 3.5 weeks. Sorry, I'm trying to look at the charts at the same time because I know I got to close all these positions out. We've got 2 crowd funds coming up in 3.5 weeks. One's for Wolfer Finance, which is master and validator noding company, blockchain infrastructure, and then our software company Presend that has 2 pending patents is also doing a crowd fund. They should open the 3rd of next month, I believe. It'll be
so
on
Drew.
Friday.
That's finally coming to fruition. Lawyers got stuff figured out. We're good.
Yep,
Nice.
all done, man.
Cool.
It's just
Cool.
you got to dial in all the language and stuff because the SEC makes you basically disclaim everything and all this wild stuff. It's just all the rules and regulations. It's not fun sometimes. But you know, you do it and yeah, bring it forward.
You got to play there. You got to play by their rules because you're in their court.
Yeah.
That's really what it comes down to.
So it should be fun, man. We'll see how it goes. I got a massive marketing campaign for both of them coming out, but yeah, we'll see how they go. I think they're gonna do very well.
Nice. Well, good luck with that, brother. I'm looking forward to seeing how that goes, and best of luck, brother. I love pre-send. Pre-send moved over to being more of an institutional asset, right? I mean, the big dogs are using it now, right? If you guys don't know what pre-send is, pre-send basically when you send off a transaction and you could lose it in crypto, right? Like you're like, oh shit, I fat fingered this or whatever. Pre-send I thought was the most genius idea ever when I first heard about it. That's how I met Drew, because it literally verifies what you're doing. You spend a really small amount of money to say, hey, dickhead, you did that wrong, and it stops the transaction from happening. It's great. It makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, and it makes more sense for the institutions like that are sending like millions and billions of dollars. So that's who we're more or less pitching it to now is institutional grade partnerships. Go out, try to get licensing deals. That's why we filed the 2 patents because, you know, when you're pitching to Coinbase, MetaMask, I mean, they have the infrastructure, the money, the capabilities to go out and, you know, maybe potentially figure it out for themselves if they wanted to. But that's why we invented it and then filed the patents. And I'm hoping we hear back on the patents pretty soon because one of our patents actually got accepted into the PPH, which is the patent protection highway that basically fast tracks you. So, yeah, we'll see.
That's dope, dude. Congrats, man. I'm glad that's going well. All right, it is 2:28. It is 2:28. Let me get the final run around here, and then I got to put a poll into the chat. So, AJ, what's your number? Where are you at?
I'm in a trade. Do I have to close it?
No, you've got 2 more minutes where we have to close it. But what are you at?
917. That's what it says in the margin of the trade right now. So I guess that's how much it is. So
well, add together what your margin is on your position margin and your.
Well, it's the whole bag. It's the whole bag. Everything. So yeah.
Oh, it's the whole thing.
Yeah, come on. I'm all in 20x. Come on now.
Jenna, what are you at?
I have $1,001.70. I'm making sure I stay in the 4 digits.
OC guy, what are you?
Should have just stopped after my phantom trade.
Damn it. Yep.
Let me do the math.
I need to know.
941.
Okay.
Points. What is it?
941 is fine. Alex, what are you at?
Same.
1,023.
Yeah,
okay. Blood.
I am at. Let's see here. Give me a second. Got to 815.
Okay. Bullish. What are you at?
He's unmuting.
You're muted.
I'm down $2.
So you're 998. Okay. TradeFly.
We updated 978.
Okay. Drew.
951, but I assume it's gonna drop because FTM's getting murdered right now.
Okay. Magic.
1,154, Bob.
And Johnny.
Dang good. I am at 1,045, and I don't want to close my trade because I'm short Ethereum because we're hitting my resistance.
Yeah, well, everybody's about to have to close their trade here in about 2 seconds.
It's gonna be a good one.
Yeah, you gotta close.
Yeah, I'm short.
Close them out.
And Bitcoin right now, and
I'm gonna pay like $5 at fees to close.
It is 2:30. It is 2:30. Let's close them out. Let's close them out.
Sorry, Dad.
How much is that gonna cost?
You can mark it if you want.
That's
Yeah, you pretty much have to.
It should load. Closed.
I got like 5 positions.
That was rough.
All right. So it looks like the bottom 2, even with me giving. Go ahead.
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
I was going to say, it looks like the bottom 2, even with me smacking Bullish with a big fat fee for showing up late, it looks like the bottom 2 are AJ and Blood. So
okay.
So
Blood, I'll cut my head off. You go ahead. You go ahead. My Mondays are crazy. I just like to come on the show my love. Blood. It's you.
My man.
You better win it for me. You better win
I
it
will.
for me.
I will.
I don't care about the popularity contest.
So
I didn't trade well today. I didn't know the exchange. All good.
AJ,
yeah, I didn't either. I
accountability.
should have practiced.
Nothing but love.
We got to go to practice, AJ. We got to go to practice.
Practice.
Much love, blood.
Practice.
Go get him, bro.
All right, so listen, this is how this is going to work. So blood is going to move over to the 1v1s. Those will be on Thursday. Okay, one person gets kicked, one person moves over to 1v1, so that'll be on Thursday. There's not one this Thursday, blood, because there's nobody for you to go 1v1 against.
Gotcha.
Right. Yep. So at next Thursday will be the next 1v1. Everybody else, congratulations. But now let me just say, number one today, shout out to Johnny Crypto.
Hell yeah.
Nice job, Johnny. Nice job.
Let's go, Johnny.
Good stuff.
Did it.
I lost $3 because I had to close it out.
Johnny, you have immunity for next week. So you literally cannot get kicked next week. So congratulations on that. Proud of you.
What happens if I just do something stupid and I go 200x on 1,000 and I lose it all?
We don't go off account balance.
I mean, I guess if they're, I mean, you still aren't going to get kicked off. You just won't have anything to trade with, and you'll be done the following week.
Self-fun.
Yeah, toss your own money in there. No. So shout out to you, brother. Good job. Let me run around the horn real quick before we close out. I want everybody to get an opportunity to pitch something if they've got anything going on. Alex, I'll start with you. What do you got going on, man?
I'm going live in half an hour, man. So I mean, that's it.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Your link's down below the stream. Good trade again today, Alex. Alex has never had a negative day in the trading world on Trading Warz.
Nice.
So shout out to you.
Nice.
Alex, TradeFly. What's up with you, brother? What do you got going on?
Yeah, man. Every weekday, 09:30 Eastern, we have our show, Piper Academy. So we're trying to grow, making some strides. Just got over 5K subs. So, you know,
you guys are killing it.
Trying to make it. Me and OC, baby.
You guys are doing really well. Jenna, what do you got going on in the world of crypto?
Well, actually, I'm going over to my mom's after this. I have to help her organize all of her portfolios and all that good stuff. And she actually wants to buy more XRP and XLM. I'm not going to stop her. Hey, mama buys what mama likes. So you know what?
No, you gotta do your mama right now, Jenna. Do your mother right.
Come on now. Anyway, so.
Come on, do your mother right. Of all people, do her right.
Oh man, Johnny Crypto, what's up with you, brother? What do you got going on in the wild world?
Oh gosh, my other YouTube channel takes up the majority of my time. I really need to get back into I'm gonna be more consistent on my crypto stuff to help teach more. I haven't in a little while, but yeah, look, I guess look out for that.
That tells us a lot about us who got beat by the guys like, well, I do crypto sometime.
Yeah, just doing this here and there. Blood, what do you got going on, brother?
Yeah, I'll be streaming today at unfortunately I gotta do it at 4 as well with Alex O. So sorry, Alex.
Well, that's okay, man. I'll send them over to you, man. I'll finish early.
And also again, go check out the interview I did with Mark Yusko. It was a great interview. I think everyone should enjoy that one. That's it, bro.
For sure. Appreciate you.
See you
AJ,
next week.
What's popping with you, brother?
Dude, you know, just grinding away. Daily live stream, a lot of content. Loading up on some pretty sick deals. I have some big announcements coming in the next couple weeks. UFC 300 flying to Vegas Thursday. I have a Telegram group now. It's been going well. Got 100 people in like the first 10 days. It's been good. Close to 100. It's just about at 100. And yeah, man, this year has been the best year for everything so far. And let's try to keep the momentum up and just grind it out.
Hard work pays off.
Awesome. Keep killing it, bro. What time's your live stream every day, AJ?
10:30 a.m. EST.
10:30 a.m. All right. Keep it up, brother. Appreciate you. Magic.
Appreciate you.
What's up with you, brother?
Oh, man. Nothing like these guys. I'm not out here grinding or putting out content or doing any of that. That will is gone for a little while now. I just hang out in Discord. It's kind of like AJ said, it's a new Discord. A couple hundred people joined just on people I've known over the years.
Okay.
So really just trying to get educational content out to them. Really not too focused on putting out public content unless I come on a show like yours or Sin City or anyone else that invites me on. So we're going through regressions, going through basically trying to teach them how to trade, spending a couple hours a few times a week with them in a classroom setting, just hanging out. So
is that a paid Discord, man?
Yeah, it's $11 a month, man. I'm not here to charge you guys a bunch of money. I used to run free ones, but you guys all joined too fast. Or be like, 2,000 people in there. In like
too many people in there. Yeah. So Magic, let me make sure that I get that link, and I'll toss it down below the stream next time.
Other than that, follow me this month. I'm going to try to run 36 miles for my 36th birthday. Last year, failed at 35.
That sounds awful.
I got to 28 last year. No training last year though. This year we're going to train. So we're going to actually try to get there.
Bro, I've done some wild stuff in the Marine Corps, and I think I would not want to try to run 36 freaking miles. No thank you.
I don't think we had to do a mile in the Air Force.
That's the Chair Force, Jenna. That's totally different.
Oh man, come on.
Remember, a mile and a half.
Oh man. All right, OC guy, what do you got going on, brother?
Not much. Just guys, have you watched our predictions for Bitcoin highest price? Hopefully you have. If you haven't, check it out. It's pretty crazy.
Okay.
And other than that, check out about the indicators that we use. And we give out 8 classes a week, mornings and also evenings for everybody across the world. So other than that,
OC guy over on ChartPrime, killing it.
Forecast.
The weather guy.
Bullish.
And Hyper Academy with TradeFly. And Alex L. Crypto.
Yes, sir.
What's up with you, Bullish?
What up, man? Nothing, dude. We got the biggest thing that we got launching here as soon as we got Traderverse coming up. I think we'll have it live probably within the next, I'd hope in 30 days or less.
How did you just say it?
Traderverse. That's our SocialFi platform that we've been building.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah, we did the early allocation sign up for it, which is pretty great. I think we had like 30,000 people sign up for it for the alpha, and which we'll be launching that probably in less than 30 days, and then beta will be live here soon. So it's pretty cool. We'll be able to connect any of your trading platforms. We have the API for OpenSea, we have the API for Webull, API for majority like SCFX, all these platforms you can connect to, and you can trade live on it. You can monetize your trading ability with it. It's pretty dope. Just go check out Traderverse. We're launching it in less than 30 days. So it's pretty badass. Good SocialFi aspect. And it helps traders. Like Twitter for me is like absolutely fucking disgustingly absurd. The stupidest place to go listen to people for financial advice. And we filter that out on Traderverse. So it's literally filtered. If somebody goes and posts like some dumb troll engagement post on it, it will automatically get filtered. Post deletes. It's only things
strictly trading
that are strictly trading and real information from real people. So just check it out. Traderverse. We got it launching here in 30 days or less.
You guys are going to filter the posts where people say things like, let me know if you can see this.
Yeah. Everything like that is filtered.
Thank God.
Yeah, dude.
Magic, you're not going to be able to troll people on there. So.
He said it could be trading related. So as long as it's trading related, I think I'm clear.
You troll him trading related. Drew,
that's right.
I know you've got your raise coming up soon. Anything else going on?
Yeah, not really, man. Just obviously, posting content on YouTube, stuff like that, Twitter, and yeah, I mean that pretty much takes up the majority of your time whenever you're running a couple of companies that are going through funding rounds. Wolfer Finance already has multi-million under management, so it's doing very well. Prescient already invented the software. It's like the second round of funding to basically give people the last chance to get in before we go do our thing. So yeah, it should be good, and I'm looking forward to, what is it? It's going to be May. Yeah, I'm looking forward to May because it should be really fun. And then we're also going to be at Consensus in, I believe, May 28th through the 31st or something like that. So that should be cool too. Hopefully Keeper will be there. He'll be back from Colombia by then. Hopefully I'll see some of these other, faces there as well.
Yeah. Looking forward to it. Hey, ladies, gentlemen, appreciate each and every one of you for being on. If you are watching the show, make sure that you guys sign up under one of these links, have some fun, trade, make some money. There's like 40K out there for you to snatch up, and then come on the stream live next season. I'm betting on one of you, so make sure you guys get involved. Until next time, question everything. Did I just literally start off with part of the middle of what I normally say? Let me back this up. Question everything, trust nothing. Until next time, HODL like it's hot. We will see you soon. Love you guys. Appreciate it.